Now we learn about irrational number in previous lecture. We learn irrational number about irrational number in previous lecture. Now we locate irrational number. How do we locate irrational number on the number line? Now example number 3. Locate root 2 on the number line. Our question is locate root 2 on the number line. Root 2 is a irrational number. Now start. Draw a unit square OABC. Draw a unit square. Therefore, its length is 1 unit. OABC is a square with side length 1 unit. With each side is equals to 1, 1, 1, 1. By Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? In right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means opposite side of right angle. Square of hypotenuse is sum of square of other two sides. Our right angle is this, like this. In this right angle, square of hypotenuse is OAB. Suppose OAB is a right angle and OB is its hypotenuse. Therefore, square of hypotenuse OB square is equals to sum of square of other two sides, OA square plus AB square. Using Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. You learn Pythagoras in standard 8. OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. OA, its measure is 1. Length of OA is equals to 1 unit. Length of AB is equals to 1 unit. Therefore, 1 square plus 1 square. 1 square is equals to 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. OB square is equals to 2. Therefore, OB is equals to square root of 2. Root 2. OB is equals to root 2. Now we find root 2. On number line, we draw a unit square OABC. O corresponds with 0. Now start. O corresponds with 0. Then OA is equals to 1. AB is equals to 1 unit. Draw and BC and OC. We have seen that OB is equals to root 2. 1 square plus 1 square is equals to 2. OB is equals to root 2. By using compass and with center O, we use our compass and center O. Put the compass here, center O and radius OB, draw arc on number line. Here from this is R. By using the compass with center O and radius OB, center O, and how much radius? Radius is equals to OB. OB, draw an R intersecting. We draw this R intersecting number line at point P. Then P corresponds to root 2 on the number line. Again, draw a square OABC with unit length on number line. O corresponds with 0. Now, OB is equals to root 2. Here we find OB is equals to root 2. By using compass, the center O with radius OB, draw an arc on number line which intersect number line at P, which is P corresponds to root 2. Then P corresponds to root 2 on the number line. Do example number 3 in homework. Now start exercise 1.2. Question number 1. True or false? Number 1. Every irrational number is a real number. Statement is every irrational number. Irrational number, that means root 5, cubic root of 7. These numbers are called irrational number. Is a real number. So yes, real number contains rational number and irrational number. Therefore, every irrational number is a real number. This statement is true. Now second number. Every real number is an irrational number. It's converse. Every irrational number is a real number. But here its converse statement is every real number is an irrational number. Every real number, suppose root 5 by 7, which is not a rational number. Cubic root of 9 is not a rational number. Therefore, every real number is an irrational number. This statement is false. I say irrational number is not a rational number and rational number. Root 4. Root 4 is equals to 2. Root 25 is equals to 5. An irrational number, real number is an irrational number. It is false. Every point on the number line is of the form root m, where m is a rational number. Every point on the number line is of the form root m, where m is a rational number. Suppose its statement is false. Root m is a rational number. Suppose m is equals to 7. Root 7, root m is equals to root 7, which is not a rational number. It is a irrational number. Therefore, this statement is wrong. Now, are the square root of all positive integer irrational? Square root of all positive integer. No. Square root of root 7 is not equals to irrational number. Are the square root of all positive integer is irrational? No. For example, root 4 is equals to 2, root 9 is equals to 3, root 16 is equals to 4, root 9 by 4 is equals to 3 by 2, which are rational number, but here root 7 is irrational number. Square root of each rational number, square root of all positive integer is not irrational number. Here it is irrational number, but it is not irrational number, it is rational number. Therefore, this statement is wrong. Question 3. So that root 5 represented on the number line. Now, we draw unit square OABC with length 1 unit. OABC. O corresponds with 0. O corresponds with 0. OABC. OA is equals to 1. Taking inside, OA is equals to 1 and AB is equals to 1. And number line, which vertex O coincide with 0. Then find OB. Then OB is equals to under root OA plus OB. Under root OA is equals to 1 square plus 1 square under root OA square plus AB square. With Pythagoras rules, OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. Therefore, OB is equals to under root OA square plus AB square. OA square is equals to 1 square. AB square is equals to 1 square. 1 plus 1 is equals to root 2. Therefore, OB is equals to root 2. We find root 5. Construct BD of unit length perpendicular to OB. Here we construct BD perpendicular to OB. Then triangle and join OD. Make our triangle OBD is a right angle triangle. Its length is root 2. OB is equals to root 2. OD is equals to 1. Therefore, OD square, again OB is equals to root 2, BD is equals to 1. Therefore, OD square is equals to root 2 square plus 1 square. Root 2 square is equals to 2 plus 1, then 3. OD is equals to under root 3. Construct BD of unit length perpendicular to AB. BD with unit length perpendicular to OB. Then OD is equals to root 2 square plus 1 square is equals to under root 2 plus 1 is equals to root 3. Here OD, length of OD is equals to root 3. Now again, we find root 5, root 2, root 3, root 4 and root 5. Now again draw perpendicular to OD with 1 unit. Construct DE of unit length perpendicular to OD. OD perpendicular. Then making our right angle triangle ODE. Pythagoras rules. By Pythagoras rules, OE square is equals to OD square plus DE square. Therefore, OE is equals to under root 3 square plus 1 square is equals to root 3 plus 1 is equals to root 4 is equals to 2. Now the length of OE is equals to root 4. Now with perpendicular. Again perpendicular draw EF with OD. Construct EF of unit length perpendicular to DF. DF with DE. Then EF is equals to perpendicular to OE, not D. Perpendicular to OE. Then EF is equals to root 2 square. 2 square plus 1 square is equals to under root 4 plus 1 is equals to root 5. With center O and radius of draw an arc which intersect the line at point R. Now again draw triangle square OABC with unit square. Construct BD of, first we find root 2. Construct BD of unit length perpendicular to BD perpendicular to OB. Then we find root 3. Again perpendicular OD with unit length DE. Then we find root 4. And OE perpendicular EF with unit length EF, OE, EF of unit length perpendicular to OE. Then we find OF. OF is equals to root 2 square plus 1 square is equals to root 4 plus 1 is equals to root 5 with center O and radius of, draw an arc which intersect the line at point R with radius of, how many radius? Radius of OF. OF. Radius OF. Here is our radius. And center, which is center? Center O. Draw an arc, we get root 5. First we get root 2, root 3, root 4 and root 5 here. Then R corresponds to root 5.